in a move that no one saw coming. Elon Musk, the man behind Tesla, SpaceX, and some of the most audacious ventures of our time, has just done the unthinkable. He's officially bought Ford Motor Company. What will this mean for Tesla? For Ford? For an industry on the brink of its greatest revolution yet? What happens when a man driven by the future buys a company rooted in the past? Watch video till the end. This is the story of the most shocking acquisition in automotive history, Ford Motor Company. For over a century, it has been a cornerstone of American manufacturing. Founded by Henry Ford in 1903, it revolutionized the way the world moved, bringing the automobile to the masses with the Model T and forever cementing its place in history. But Ford wasn't just building cars. It was building a legacy, one of innovation, hard work, and American muscle. From the assembly line to the open road, Ford embodied the spirit of freedom. But as the world changes, so must those who wish to stay on top. While Ford was leading the charge on gasoline-powered vehicles for decades, an entirely new competitor was quietly building its empire fueled not by gasoline, but by electricity. Tesla, founded in 2003, has become synonymous with cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and the vision of a future free from fossil fuels. And at the helm? Elon Musk, the billionaire with ambitions that go far beyond the stars. Tesla isn't just a car company, it's an idea, a challenge to the status quo. And now that idea has collided with one of the most iconic automotive brands in history. In an unprecedented move, Elon Musk has officially purchased Ford Motor Company. This merger has sent shockwaves through the auto industry, and experts are scrambling to make sense of what this means for the future of electric and gasoline vehicles. We've never seen anything like this. Elon Musk has been clear in his goal to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy, but buying Ford? This is something else entirely. Ford has the infrastructure, the workforce, and the market presence, especially in the truck and SUV segments, where Tesla has struggled. This acquisition could be a game-changer on a global scale. Ford's DNA is gasoline-powered. Its identity is rooted in building trucks like the F-150 and performance vehicles like the Mustang. It's not that easy to flip a switch and become an electric company. Musk has his work cut out for him if he thinks he can transform Ford overnight. The financial world is holding its breath. Stocks for both Tesla and Ford are surging, but uncertainty looms. The auto industry, once dominated by combustion engines, is now standing at a crossroads. The question remains, will this merger lead to unimaginable success, or will it collapse under the weight of two very different visions? Ford has an incredible history. It's an iconic brand, built on innovation, power, and performance. But in this next chapter, we have an opportunity to bring Ford into the future. Imagine a Ford F-150, not powered by a traditional V8, but by Tesla's cutting-edge battery systems. Imagine a world where Ford's legendary vehicles run on electricity, and eventually where they drive themselves. This is Musk's vision for the future of Ford, merging Tesla's revolutionary battery technology and autonomous driving software with Ford's beloved vehicles. The F-150, the Bronco, the Mustang, they're not disappearing. They're evolving. The future of American muscle will be electric. The power of Ford supercharged by Tesla. We're bringing the best of both worlds together. Ford's vehicles have always been about power, utility, and performance. Tesla's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible with technology. With this merger, we can create something truly revolutionary. Ford has been a part of my family for generations. My grandfather worked here, my father worked here, and now I'm here too. What's going to happen to us? To these jobs? Are we just going to be replaced by robots? Elon Musk can do what he wants with his electric cars, but he's not touching my Mustang. The sound of that V8 engine roaring, it's what makes Ford special. You can't replace that with a battery. For every visionary, there's resistance. Ford employees, deeply proud of the company's legacy, are worried about what this merger means for their future. Car enthusiasts, attached to the roar of gasoline engines, are wondering if the soul of Ford is being traded for the silence of electric motors. This isn't just a battle over technology, it's a battle over identity. We won't let the legacy of Ford be destroyed by corporate greed. Our workers deserve better than to be replaced by machines. This isn't just a story about Ford and Tesla. This is a story about the entire auto industry, worldwide. From Detroit to Tokyo, Munich to Seoul, every automaker is watching this merger closely. Some see opportunity, others see a threat. One thing is certain, the world is no longer the same. The race to electrification just became a sprint. We've always known Tesla was a competitor, But with Ford now in the picture, we need to act fast. Our current roadmap may no longer be enough to stay ahead. This isn't just about cars. This is about control of the entire supply chain: batteries, AI, autonomous driving, energy storage. If Musk succeeds in integrating Ford with Tesla's technology, he could dominate not just the EV market, but global transportation. The stakes have never been higher. As the world watches, Elon Musk stands on the precipice of either revolutionizing the auto industry or watching it crumble. The integration of two giants, Ford and Tesla, could lead to breakthroughs in technology unprecedented in human history, or it could spell disaster for both brands. The Ford F-150 and Ford Mustang are two legendary vehicles that represent the diverse strengths of Ford's lineup. The F-150, part of the Ford F-Series, has been the best-selling truck in America for decades. It's celebrated for its toughness, off-road capabilities, and class-leading towing and payload capacities. With features like advanced driver assistance systems, Pro Power Onboard, and hybrid options, the F-150 combines utility with modern technology to serve a wide range of customers, from contractors to outdoor enthusiasts. In contrast, the Ford Mustang is a symbol of speed, style, and American muscle. First introduced in 1964, it has become an iconic sports car recognized worldwide. With its aggressive design and powerful V8 engine, the Mustang offers thrilling performance and a distinctive driving experience. Over the years, it has evolved with technological upgrades, including the all-electric Mustang Mach-E, broadening its appeal. Both vehicles showcase Ford's commitment to innovation, quality, and performance. The Ford F-150 Lightning is an all-electric version of the iconic F-150, blending the truck's legendary toughness with modern, eco-friendly technology. Launched as part of Ford's push towards electrification, the F-150 Lightning retains the durability and utility of its gas-powered counterpart, while offering impressive features unique to electric vehicles. It delivers remarkable power, with dual electric motors providing robust torque and fast acceleration. The truck also boasts a substantial towing capacity and innovative features like the ability to serve as a mobile power source through Ford's Pro Power Onboard system. With advanced technology, including over-the-air software updates and a customizable digital interface, the F-150 Lightning represents a groundbreaking step in combining sustainable energy with the traditional strengths of the F-Series lineup. The future is uncertain. But one thing is clear. Elon Musk's acquisition of Ford has changed the game. The world of automobiles will never be the same again. Only time will tell if this bold move will make or break the future of Ford, Tesla, and everything in between. What do you think about this shocking takeover by Elon Musk? Will this merger lead to the creation of the most powerful car company in the world, or is it a gamble too big to succeed? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.